Hello and welcome to another video presented by Stein Investments. This video is all about our custom alerts tool, which improved a lot over time, and today we finally finished the integration of FX Dynamic. As you can see in this alert message for the Euro Swiss franc breakout alert, there is now an additional information that includes the average true range of this pair in percentage. So now when you get an alert from the custom alerts tool on your mobile device, you'll know exactly if this is a pair that has some potential left or if it's already maybe above the 100%, as this example on gold against the US dollar, where you better step off. This new feature afforded a few changes in the FX dynamic structure, as you will notice here, and so we recommend everyone that already uses this tool to update to the latest version 1.22, which is now available in the market, to benefit from its latest improvements. The other changes are made in the custom alerts tool, where we now restructured the settings, because the broker DST zone and GMT shift is also essential for the FX dynamic tool, and so we created a new general settings section where we set this parameter just once and not for each tool separately. So you can now decide if you want to include gold, and this is now true for FX volume and FX power and FX dynamic, etc., etc. So that said, let's go down to the FX dynamic section. As always, you have to enable this tool to use it, and then you can decide if you want to check the daily true range or any other time frame you like. We set the defaults we use with our easy scalping strategy and in our daily trading, so that's the defaults that we refer in all our morning briefing videos as well. You can also enable an ATR filter for alerts, which means if set to true, you won't get any alert if the percentage ATR is already above 100%, and you can customize this to any value you like. So this is what kept us busy most of the week, and we are already working on the next big deal with integrating FX levels and then sharing some information about the SR situation per symbol and, for example, the risk-reward ratio when taking a trade based on the support and resistance levels. So if you won't miss any update, subscribe to this channel, update our tools, and you'll always benefit from the latest improvements we provide. Thanks for watching. Happy weekend, everyone. See you in the next one. Bye bye.